Hello everybody, today I'm here to bring you a quick fix for Windows could not connect to the group policy client service. Let's get it started, let's get it moving. I've already logged in using admin, okay? In order for you to fix this problem, you have to have an admin account, basically, okay? An administrator has to log in and try to fix this problem. At the search bar, type Rage Edit and open the registry. Say yes, click the arrow next to HK local machine. Arrow next to the system. Click the arrow next to current control set. Services. After services, you gotta go down to GPS VC. Double click on start. Change start value data from 4 to a 2. And click OK, and then click exit out of registry, and then restart the computer. Here we go. Login or sign in, and then desktop is allowed. Yeah. Alright, that was it here. Basically, I hope this video is useful to you and you guys were able to catch something or learn something from it. Continue to subscribe, like, share my video, Facebook friend, YouTube, TikTok, and continue to follow. Alright then, have a good day. Bye bye.